welcome to this episode of What's Your Favorite? Hi, I'm Dr. Luba, and I'm your host today. Our first guest has a furry mane and a big toothy grin. Welcome, Mr. Lion!
Yay!
Hello, Mr. Lion.
Woohoo!
Our first question is, what's your favorite food? Pizza? Well, that sounds mighty tasty. I'm glad you didn't say doctors. Our next guest is from Sesame Street, Mr. Bert. Hello, welcome to our show, Bert. The next question is, what's your favorite color? Orange? But that's Ernie's favorite color.
No.
It's not? I thought your color would be yellow. Okay. And our next question is for Mr. Lion. What's your favorite? No. What's your favorite vegetable? Cookies? That's not a vegetable. No, that is cookies are a once in a while treat. Cookies should only be consumed after dinner as a dessert. Okay. Thank you for joining us. You've been wonderful contestants, and I hope that you've learned a lot. Come back next time. Bye.
We won't.